Morning, family. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ham's Loft. I'm at about the 52, about a 52 mile from the house. This is east right here. I'm in a field. It's actually a couple of exits up from where I tossed the last toss at when it was 42 miles. But this is where I'm at. I seen a hawk not too long ago off the interstate, but it had caught a rabbit, so I'm not gonna worry too much about that. As you see, sunny day. Birds are in the box. We know which way east is. They should head east. This would be their first toss from right here. So let's see what they do. Oh shit, that was amazing. They made one turn and that's where they heading, towards the sun. Already climbed the tree line. They already gone. They definitely flying the right direction, but it's not like they ain't got a ways to go. But oh, there they go right there. They know better than me which way to go. I don't know if I can still have them in sight, but I'm gonna try to do the best I can. I can't see them. I can't see them no more. Nope, can't see them no more. I don't know where they're at, but I'm gonna. Oh, there they go. Field is full of mosquitoes. I don't see them no more. Let's see if I can find them. There they go. Still right there. I think I could get them. I think they're in the camera. They are climbing, which they should do. Yep. They're circling. They're at least going the right direction, but I guess they're circling, trying to get their bearings, trying to get higher. Well, that's all of them, 27. That's all I got. That's gonna be flying 27, which is really only 25, I think. Two of them one of them don't have a band, and the other one has an old bird band, but it's a young bird, but I can't fly them anyway. Okay, they still hanging around here. They came back. I don't think they in deep shit, I can tell you that much. So they just flew back over me. That's definitely. It's only 10 miles from the last drop. And the sun, we pretty much know that's east, so hopefully they're able to get their bearings. Still got them in sight, I hope. I can see them. I see them against the backdrop there of the little hills. I don't see them no more. I know they're somewhere over there, unless they already climbed already. Alright, I think they might have climbed the mountain or the little hill, but I don't see them no more. Let's see. Like I said, it's a different drop. It's at least 10 miles further. So We're gonna call it 52 miles. And I'm gonna try to keep him at 52, at least 2 more tosses. And then I go on down for another 10 or 15. Oh, there they go, I see him. Still, right there, above the tree line, barely above the tree line. They gotta climb the tree line if they plan to get out of here. Yep, I still see him on the tree line, straight in the center. They just climbed they're still at the tree line, right above it. They look like they're about to top the hill. I can still barely see them. All right, I don't see them no more. Nope, I don't see them. They had to top the tree line already. Went over the hill. All right, subscribe, comment, do what you do. Shouts out to all the flyers, all my subscribers, all the family in the UK, family in the States, family in Hawaii, which is part of the States, but it's just such a lovely place. I just love going there. All right, Sean, Hawaiian Brian, Antonio, Dominique, D&M Laws flying out of the Big Island. Shouts out to all you guys. Peace. Thanks for watching, guys.